1 degree outside, Weather Network, evening essentials on a Sunday evening, looking out to everything you need to know to get the week started out. I'm meteorologist Matt Noyce with a little bit more snow coming in late Monday night. Grab our app. You'll be able to watch it all on Radar, the hourly forecast for the 14-day. It's totally free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. And if you're into winter sports, if you haven't checked out snowsports.onedegreeoutside.com, please do. Danielle and I put a lot of time and love and effort into the twice weekly discussions on Sundays and Thursdays and the daily maps that we've even gone so far as to try and show what travel conditions are like in the morning and in the evening, heading up to and back from the mountains. And notice Monday evening, snowy roads start to take over in western areas. It may be snowing in eastern areas at 5 p.m. tomorrow, but we don't think that the roads are downhill yet. They may end up there, although not on chemically treated interstates and highways, and we'll get to that in just a second. For the overnight tonight, it's quiet. The sky will be clearing. There are some spots of black ice just where moisture has been able to refreeze for us, and that'll be about it. But it's battery killing cold for the car when you get across far north country of New England. If you've got a battery that's been teetering, this may be the night. It's hard to start the car tomorrow morning. Other than that, just cold for everybody. And highs tomorrow in the 20s. This ensures the ground temperature will be pretty cold and everything will be able to stick. The other thing it ensures is this is another event where there's not that much moisture, and whatever falls for snow is real fluffy and light in consistency. You can see some flurries starting up in the mountains of western New England at 12:30 in the afternoon. Most of us just find increasing clouds. Between 4 and 5, we find the light snow breaking out more and more in eastern New England. And as we get through the evening and into the night, that light snow continues to fall. Again, cold enough temperatures, it certainly sticks. When you get right along the south coast, a little bit more marginal. And as you'll see in a minute, you don't get quite as much snow. Same thing in northern Maine because it's so dry, you never get the moisture to come in. But after midnight, it's mostly wrapping up. The road crews are working on it. And on Tuesday morning, I think we're good to go for the most part. There may be some slick spots left over, but that would be about it. You say, how much snow are we going to get? Well, remember, it's light and it's fluffy. There's not a lot of moisture to it. So it does add up, but not that much. You've got about an inch of snow at any given spot, a little bit more in the hilly terrain of western New England, maybe a little bit of enhancement when you get close to the coastline as well. But generally, it's going to be enough that we have to treat it, but not enough that it's going to be a significant impact for us, right? In terms of Boston's air and road temperatures, the air temperature is the solid line. The shaded part is the road temps. Look, the moral of the story, you have to parse out too many details here. We just stay below freezing for both air and road temperatures all through the course of Monday evening and Monday night. So you're going to have some sort of treatment to get it not to stick on the roadways. Overnight lows Monday night down to the teens and 20s. Wind is not a deal with this. It's very, very light wind as it comes through. So yet again, another one of these kind of really light snow type events. It doesn't have a big impact. As we get into Tuesday evening and night, the next system comes in. This one's going to have more warmth with it. This red line is a warm front. The pink is where we may see some sleet and freezing rain on the front end of this thing on Tuesday evening. So road crews, you might get called again here to get out there on Tuesday evening and tonight. Northern New England gets a burst of snow before going over to a mix. And the farther south you go, the more likely this is a mostly raindrop event. A lot of southern New England probably goes to raindrops by Wednesday morning. Heaviest of the precipitation shifts east during the course of Wednesday morning and leaves behind some leftover mixed showers for Wednesday, and that's about it. We're lined up for more storms, which means keep an eye on the forecast here. I do think that as the next one comes in at the end of the week, it probably has a rain snow line that ends up in northern New England again, but there'll be a follow-up one to that coming in for the weekend. And any of these, a slight change in the track would change the rain snow line on them. So I think that far out, you don't want to put too much eggs in one basket, so to speak. Just a reminder, too, that our Weather Network continues to roll on 24 hours a day. It's New England's only Weather Network on your smart TV, online, and on our app. We'll see you with updates, of course, over the course of the day Monday at onedegreeoutside.com.